our second banner, and our third jumper, Mike Gillian, Czech Republic. He has over 1,800 jumpers are paying attention to their altitude.
Lights last gleaming, and the rare day proves hand of the free.
To celebrate freedom in style and get real aggressive with it and precise. Yet as you climb so rapidly.
Wanna be free, we were wanna be free, we were wanna be free, we were wanna.
We're reminding you to stay hydrated today. Michael, during this in water, stay hydrated, so important. He's pulling upside down, makes some adjustments, and he's just getting. In the early 1900s. Still impressive. History and what it costs to maintain it. And he might be able to hear you in the cockpit there. He's got it all rolled back. Flying it so beautifully for us today, and his passion for the D-33, but two others that he owns, and now Ace Maker 2. Quickly, the next time you look, it's like $1.5 million. Then it's over $1 million it costs to keep it flying every year. And you hear that added scream or whistle. They're set back, and it's like the hole in a flute, if you will. Beautiful, the photo pass. Scott Yoke. Some fun. Where do you see what he has in store for you a little? Aviation career has been standing on the ground flying airplanes. And the technology in that. He's an engineer after all, and he.
Lieutenant Peter Chattree, call sign Mission Amor, California. Is to train and equip Indian Marine Corps pilots and trained over 200 pilots to fly the F-35. The C model differs from other F-35. Here comes the lightning. Power the Lightning II as he accelerates away from the ground.
I get those goosebumps
Afterburners perform a tug of the roll and set up for the next. Lieutenant Rademacher will. For the high-speed pass, pulling 6 Gs.